up. Like I was trying to help out.
We don't want to have to fight you or anything like that, okay? Just, let's go, yeah.
He attacked me in the back of the car.
That's the only reason I pushed him.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Last week, I published a story involving Jonesboro Police Officer Joseph Harris.
He's 18 years old. Are you his mom or daddy?
Nope.
Any of y'all? No, he's doing it. Ain't your business.
It was his second appearance on the channel. His initial appearance was from assaulting a man for seemingly no reason, other than asking a question.
Where's his head right now?
For what? For what? Put your fucking hands behind you.
Officer Harris's second appearance involved him attacking a handcuffed man who was locked in the back of his cruiser. The man had escaped from a hospital and upon being caught was attempting to choke himself out with a seatbelt. This caused Officer Harris to pull over, where he proceeded to repeatedly punch and elbow the man, followed by slamming his head and neck in the door multiple times. In that video, I mentioned that the second officer on scene had failed to stop Harris from attacking the man. At the time, we only had this video angle, but now we have the officer's body cam, which clearly shows that Deputy Chris Ditto of the Craighead County Sheriff's Office witnessed the attack and did nothing to stop the brutal assault of a restrained prisoner.
The recording started.
What's going on?
He's trying to choke himself.
So you out?
After observing Officer Harris attack the man and then slam his head between the seat and car door, he then stands by and again does nothing as Harris grinds a metal baton into the man's chest.
Dispatch, we're stopped on Willett Road. Just, let's go, yeah.
What's happening?
He was trying to choke himself out.
Hey, give me your...
We need. There he goes.
Prior to the attack, the man had pleaded with Officer Harris to be taken back to the hospital, fearing that he was overdosing after swallowing a large quantity of narcotics.
Why don't y'all listen to me? But you don't care. Huh?
Not really, no.
You don't believe me?
No.
On my daughter's life, and the only thing I love in this world is her. I've got on the side of me. On this camera, I've got on the side of me, so when I die in the jail, it's y'all's fault.
But instead of returning the beaten and seemingly unconscious man to the hospital, Deputy Ditto asks the jail to have a nurse ready for their arrival.
All right, we got him back awake. We're right back to the jail. Have the nurse downstairs waiting on us.
During the drive, without a seatbelt, Deputy Ditto asks for a supervisor to respond.
9, you might want to come out here.
But the deputy doesn't want to say what happened over the radio.
Where you got 21?
I'll call and advise him.
I believe he is up to speed on what's going on.
Okay.
When they arrive at the jail, despite the possible concerns of a head and neck injury, the officers just kind of dump him on the floor. A nurse does not appear to be present.
Nick!
You good?
Nick, he's slammed out back in the door.
His head's on the other side.
Nick! He made me slam my fucking face, my head in the door. Who went to punch me in the fucking face in the back of the car? Where's that motherfucker at my neck?
He took off running from Foster at the hospital, yes.
Yeah, he did.
Where's Foster?
He was still up in the room, I guess, whenever JPD caught him out in the streets.
They're sending me back here with fentanyl on my goddamn body.
The nurse said your test come back clean.
No, it didn't. It's on the goddamn x-ray. Dude with the hit me in my fucking face while I'm cuffed, you motherfucker. bitch. I'll fuck your bitch.
Inside.
Now you with the attacking me while I was in the car, handcuffs. My goddamn neck, man.
You weren't thinking about your neck.
Yeah, I didn't give a fuck about it because that punk bitch motherfucker.
Inside. Where's the chair? Chair!
That's right, Officer Harris, now with the perception that his coworkers wouldn't stop him from attacking an inmate, took another swing at the man. This time, however, 2 other deputies separated Harris from his victim, and it appears that this officer was the one that received the brunt of the attack.
Where's the chair? Chair! Billy, calm down, brother.
That bitch, he attacked me in the back of the goddamn car.
You don't want to catch no more charges, man. You got enough.
Look at my face, man.
I know.
Dude,
You
he
got
pulled
enough
over
charges.
while I was in handcuffs with to beat me in my head.
Well, it's all on body camera, so calm down.
Yeah, I'm sure he turned that off. Get
Just calm down, brother.
off me, man.
Hey, I'm just trying to get you calm,
Get
okay?
off me, you fucking
You know, it's not him.
Look at that.
bitch attacked me when I was in the car, man.
It's all right, I know. Calm down. We don't want to have to fight you or anything like that, okay?
Come on, get up.
I gotta catch my breath.
Oh, come on, we're going right over
You
here.
do it in the chair.
Come on.
I can't breathe, dude. Please let me catch my breath.
Billy, come on.
I can't. I gotta catch
we're
my
going
breath.
right
From
across.
there to there.
Come on,
You don't
we're
need
going
to
right
catch your
across.
breath.
Come on, Billy.
Stand up.
Stand, man.
We're gonna have the nurse check you out. Get this off of him.
The man is immobilized, chained to a chair, but meanwhile, back in the Sally Port, Officer Harris explains why he beat the man.
You good?
Y'all obviously had tension,
You all right?
so I was just trying to push you out. So.
Are you hurt?
Hold on. My elbow's
He's not going over.
I know. I just... What, trying to start another? No. Not trying to, like, only reason I had to punch him was because he was trying to choke
I was
himself.
talking about him here. I was just talking about him here.
I know.
Harris now appears to lie, claiming that he merely pushed the man.
What I'm saying is, from here to here, like, I'm not here to talk shit and rob people up. Like, I was trying to help out.
I know.
And with him coming at me, that's the only reason I pushed him in the face. Like, I didn't do it out of anger.
I just wanted to come and tell you.
yeah, no.
Deputy Ditto then makes it clear that he doesn't care about Harris beating the prisoner,
That's pushing you back because
as long as his fists and elbow aren't hurt.
My mic's got. Y'all, are you okay? Is your hand? All right.
No, I was. So I was
Yeah, I don't care about that. Shit.
I grabbed him.
Yeah, I don't care about all this shit. I just want to make sure you're all right.
No,
Yeah, I just want to make sure you're all right. Hey, everybody that's involved in this, can y'all email me a statement? We're going to charge you felony escape. Okay. So, which is cditto at Craighead County, ar.gov.
Because he was punching on me and pulling on me.
keep parking.
Yeah, they hollered at me and said they're going to charge you for for escape.
Give me that again. C-ditto.
C-ditto, C-D-I.
I understand.
We always have tension, JPD in the jail, and I just want you to know, like,
No,
like
you're
we're on
good.
y'all's side.
No, I know. Today's my last day. I'm going to
Really? You gonna work through?
Yeah. But no, from my point of view, obviously I can't see from behind. I seen him go up to you, so I took him this way. Then I seen you lunge. I didn't know what you're trying to do, so I was just like, hey, I got it. Just go.
From my perspective, about the time he lunged at me,
I got to have my
when I
stuff.
went out, and then so at the hospital, was a deputy or was a jailer?
Jailer.
Sergeant up there.
Okay, so he got away from there, and then I was at work, got off duty working at the yard, on the radio, got shot. When I show up, it's just me and the other officer got him and a bunch of nurses. I mean, so
No.
What did he put one of us up there at the hospital?
We haven't seen nobody in our department besides me. I was the only one there. They hollered that he was running from the hospital, and I pulled up. JP didn't know I had him in custody outside.
What's Jerry?
And
He had to go back to the room and get the paper.
yeah, I told him to go back and get the discharge paper because the nurses told me he's discharged. So I told him to go get that paperwork. We need it.
Locked room, and
That's what I was wondering. 'Cause I was like, "Where's the officer of ours that was with him?"
I don't know, but I've got to have him here to do statements and everything.
he should be on the way back.
So Jonesboro called up to him.
Yeah,
and he ran out.
Jonesboro
Is that
caught
what it
him
was?
out there on the road.
Well, he was saying something about Jonesboro, and I was like, "See all these deputies," and then I walk out here, okay,
Yeah.
there's an ass.
Big guy.
Yeah, big guy.
This dude doesn't need less than 2 people. They can see us all the time. I know.
Yeah.
I know.
We have
have
one person in each area, so
Yeah, I know.
what
We
else
have
do we
a-
do?
We have a
I
felony
know.
warrant on him right now out of Pearl, Mississippi, because he went to the hospital there. But they don't have officers that sit with you at the hospital there. It's a small department.
Yeah.
They let security watch you, and when security calls and tells them you're done, you can pick them up.
Yeah.
He crawled out the window up there and escaped.
That's what he tried to do here. He bolted out the door. I guess. I don't have the full story yet.
Deputy Ditto then talks to another officer about all that good stuff.
All that good stuff.
You're gonna look at that.
All them.
She's gonna check that out.
Because when he stopped, he said, I jumped out of the truck, activated my camera again.
Listen, 'cause nobody's gonna let that
And he
happen.
said, he's choking this stuff, get up here. And he was just beating the
You're
fuck
not
out
gonna
of
die
him.
in your sleep. Calm down.
Then he tried to punch him again here, so.
You gotta calm down a little bit, okay? Take some deep breaths. Let's get where we can get a vital reading on you. You can't get one right now. You gotta calm down. You're sweating. Why'd you turn and run away from the hospital?
Because they're like, you're getting released. And I'm like, what? She's like, yeah, you're getting released. And I was like, they are trying to fucking kill me. Y'all need to deny seeing it. And I'm looking dead at it. Then I told the doctor, I made her bring a doctor in there. I said, what is that right there? She said, it looks like something moving through your mouth. She said, it's feeling on my shorts, trying to find a piece of metal and couldn't find it. Yeah, they tried to say, oh, it's the chain around your belt. No, it's goddamn not.
Well, guess what? Getting your blood pumping faster, getting your blood pressure up, is only gonna make, if something's in there, make it faster, and it's gonna be worse. Calm down. Calm down.
Deputy Ditto did report the incident to his supervisor, which led to the termination of Officer Harris. It is now alleged that the Arkansas State Police and the FBI Little Rock office are investigating the incident, but no charges or arrests have been made. So, let me know what you think. Should it take this long for a state and federal agency to charge the officer? Leave your answer in the comments below. And if you like my coverage, check out another episode linked on screen.